So today for fun I decided to play along with this karaoke version of Basket Case. I've been working on this song, trying to learn it and struggling to play it at 175 beats a minute. If you look at the original, it's played with a pick, and I don't play bass with a pick, so probably would be a lot easier if I bit the bullet and tried to play with a pick, but anyway, I didn't, and so what I did here was I purchased this karaoke version for $2.99 for personal use. This is my personal fun day to use it. You could buy additional licenses. I am doing it in the original key, so my bass is down-tuned to E flat. And what I did was I downloaded each track separately and I brought them into my digital workstation where I can record my own bass line. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in Studio One. And you can see here I have a lead vocal track, which is a stereo track, a backing vocals, the drums, which is stereo, and a left and right guitar, and then the bass line that I recorded. So I did a couple takes on this, and this was my second take, I believe. Probably, there's a couple little glitches. It's like I said, it's a little too fast for me to play with my fingers. But after I mixed this, I bounced it down and I brought it into Camtasia here. So this is where I'm blending the audio and video together. So I recorded this with my Zoom camera, and I recorded the audio with Studio One, and then I'm blending it together in Camtasia. And this is what it's gonna look like when I'm done.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up, I think.